Hi everyone, welcome to this getting started video for the BoldDesk mobile app. I will show you how to download and install the BoldDesk mobile app. I will also show you how to manage tickets and notifications, and how to work with deep links and universal links in the BoldDesk mobile app. Finally, I will show you how to add and manage multiple accounts. The BoldDesk mobile app is supported on Android and iOS devices. It allows agents to conveniently access and respond to support tickets on mobile devices or tablets. Before downloading and installing the BoldDesk mobile application, let's discuss the prerequisites required to use it. The mobile operating systems supported by this app are iOS 11 or later or Android version 5.0 or later. Also note that currently, the application is available only in the English language. Now, let's see how to download and install the BoldDesk mobile application. To download and install the application, open the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device or the App Store if you're on an iOS device. Then, search for BoldDesk and tap the Install button next to the app. The app will be downloaded and then installed onto your device. Once the installation process is complete, tap the Open option to open the application. On the welcome page that opens, under the Login section, provide the BoldDesk account URL that you need to log into. Then, tap the Login button. This will open the Agent Portal login page where you need to provide your email address and password. Alternatively, you may choose a different login method from the available options according to the Agent Portal login settings. Now, let's see how to manage tickets in the mobile app. The BoldDesk mobile application is specifically designed to facilitate the efficient management of tickets by enabling agents to promptly address customer inquiries and provide responses remotely using their mobile devices. Once logged into the portal through the mobile app, the tickets will be listed in the default ticket view, which will open according to the agent profile settings. To change the ticket view, tap the drop-down icon next to the view and select your preferred ticket view. You can filter the views with the provided options and search for a ticket view using the view filter. You can also filter tickets and save the filtered view by tapping the plus icon on the Views List page, or by using the filter icon on the Ticket List page. Basic ticket details like ticket ID, brand, status, resolution due, and response due will be displayed. Agents can also create tickets through the mobile app by tapping the plus button available on the Ticket List page. This will open the Create Ticket page. Here, fill in the required ticket details and tap Create. The ticket will be created and listed on the Ticket List page. Next, let's see how to filter and search for tickets in the mobile app. On the Ticket List page, there is an option to filter tickets by brand. The search option enables you to search for tickets by title or ID. Additionally, there is a filter option available in the search function that allows you to refine your search within a ticket subject or message and filter them by brand, category, and status. The sorting option allows you to sort tickets in ascending or descending order using the sorting options provided. Next, let's see how to reply to a ticket and modify ticket properties in the mobile app. On the ticket listing page, select and open a ticket whose details you want to update. Agents can update ticket messages, notes, statuses, attachments, the work log, and ticket links. To add a ticket message, tap Add Message. On the message adding page, you can attach a file and update the time spent on a ticket. Next, tap the Update button and a screen will open to update the ticket status. Here, choose the desired status and the updates will be saved. You can also update other ticket properties on its Details page. Tap Details to open the Ticket Details page. Here, fill in the details in the fields to be updated and tap Update. Let's see how to share a ticket with users. On a ticket's details page, tap the More Options icon. You can copy and share the ticket's web URL link with customers. Tap the Copy Link option and select the portal link to copy and share. Also, there is an option to share the ticket with other agents. Now, let's see how to update a work log on a ticket using the mobile app. On the Ticket Details page, tap More Options and select Add Work Log. Alternatively, open the Work Log tab and then tap the Add Work Log option. This will open a page to add a work log. Then, provide the work log details and tap Add. You can also add a work log to a ticket when updating a ticket message. Next, let's see how to manage agent notifications using the mobile app. The BoldDesk mobile app offers a set of notifications for agents whenever a BoldDesk event occurs. Agents can personalize their notification preferences based on the type of event. To enable or disable event notifications in the BoldDesk mobile app, tap on the agent profile icon to open the profile page. Then, navigate to the Notification Settings tab and you will find a list of event notifications. They will be enabled by default. To disable all the notifications, disable the Push Notification option. Leaving push notifications enabled allows agents to control which event-based notifications they receive. Now, let's see how to work with deep links and universal links in BoldDesk. The BoldDesk mobile application supports deep links for Android and universal links for iOS, enhancing efficient navigation to tickets. When ticket links are accessed from any other application, such as an email app, WhatsApp, or Teams, the BoldDesk mobile app will automatically open instead of a browser. Tap the ticket URL or the hyperlinked ID to open the ticket in the BoldDesk mobile app. Note the following for efficient navigation with BoldDesk mobile app. Deep or universal links are only functional with default domains. Custom domains are incompatible with deep or universal links. If an attempt is made to access tickets using a custom URL, the device will redirect to the browser login page instead of opening the ticket in the BoldDesk mobile app. Finally, let's see how to add and manage multiple accounts in the mobile app. The BoldDesk mobile app allows agents to add and manage multiple organization portals. This provides a smooth experience when switching between multiple accounts without having to log out and log back in. Tap the agent profile icon to open the profile page. Then tap on More Options and select Add another account. This will open a page where you can provide another portal URL to be added. In this video, we covered how to download and install the BoldDesk mobile app. We also saw how to manage tickets and notifications and how to efficiently navigate to ticket links with the BoldDesk mobile app. Finally, we covered how to add and manage multiple accounts in BoldDesk mobile app. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.